Dossier, y'all need to go to jail for how good this is. Trash talk! You guys, I'm gonna get straight into it. I'm not gonna gatekeep anything here. I'm giving you the biggest fragrance tip I will honestly say, besides the Sephora's kit, Scentbird samples, and getting samples, Dossier, y'all need to go to jail for how good this is. This is so good, so freaking good. But first, if this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel so that way you know when I post more videos. I know you guys love it here, so don't act like you don't. Also turn on your post notifications so that way when I post a video, you guys know about it. So like I said, I'm going straight into it. Hold on, green juice first. Alright, so you guys know, it's no secret here, I love fragrances, I love colognes, I love body oils, men's fragrances, women's fragrances, I love it all. I already done unboxed it and opened it and everything because I was so excited. I got some. So I actually picked up 5 fragrances from Dossier. Packaging is super cute. Love that they come with an info card in the inside and it tells you everything you need to know about the fragrance, the notes, and what brand it pretty much replicates. So Dossier's main motto is iconic scents, designer quality at a lower price. They mastered, literally mastered, making fragrance dupes, and I'm here for it. I'm here for it. They smell so good. They last long. Literally almost identical to the actual fragrance. Identical. The first one I want to share with you guys because I cannot believe, well, besides the BACCARAT, the woody sandalwood is a LABO dupe and it is precise. So this is SANTAL. This is one of my favorite fragrances. This bottle is about $350. Probably more. I do love going and get it made because they actually make it in front of you and you can get your name put on the bottle. I got this bottle made 4/16/2022 at Lenox Mall here in Atlanta. So that part of it is cool. You do miss out on that when you get a dupe. However, it is worth it. The woody sandalwood smells just like Le Labo. It says top notes are violet leaves, cardamom, middle notes are orris, ambrox, cedarwood, cypriol, and then the base notes is musk, sandalwood, and amber. They did the damn job. This smells, oh, I can't, y'all going to jail because this smells just like, wow. I can't believe it. The woody sandalwood smells just like Santal 33. Wow. Wow. The next one I'm gonna talk about is one of my favorites, probably hands down my favorite fragrances. It is the Baccarat Rouge 540, and from Dossier, it's called AMBERY Saffron. They hit it on the head. This one, these are so good, so freaking good. I'm about to smell like a combination of a bunch of stuff. This one was surprising at first. I went through this bottle probably in 2 weeks, if that. I used it every single day because this is almost $500. This is, when it's not on sale, I think it's probably $60, $50, but god damn. Wow. So this one is the Powdery Hawthorne. It is inspired by Tom Ford's METALLIQUE. Again, so good. This one's a little scary because the bottle, this is the Tom Ford bottle and this is the Dossier bottle. They kind of look similar. You actually get more, I believe, in the Dossier bottle. I'm not complaining because it's great. Again, it smells just like it. How are they doing that? How is that legal? How is that legal? I'm not complaining because I don't want y'all to go out of business because I love it so much. If y'all see this video, I wouldn't mind doing a sponsored paid collaboration. My feelings was hurt the first time I heard about Dossier because they weren't paying influencers, and then they told me no, which is okay. But I had a friend who posted Dossier and I was like, how do you know about it? He told me they hit him up and they were paying, and I was like, they told me they don't pay influencers, but I never said anything. I was just like, that's great, which I'm still happy and proud, but hey, it is what it is. I paid for these. I'm not mad at it. I enjoy it. I love it. Seen prices as low as $15. Please go ahead and get you some Dossier. Tell them I sent you. Oh, so good. So good. This one is the Powdery Coconut, and it is Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. Listen, I have the Soleil Blanc in the shimmering body oil, but this does it for me. I don't need the actual fragrance. I don't think I even like the fragrance as much, but this one, It's so elegant, it's so good, it's so precise. Like, I just don't know what to say. So the last one I got is the YSL. I think I have Libre Intense. This is a women's fragrance, but I love it so much. This one is called Floral Lavender. Let me spray it. I'm gonna actually spray it on the card. It's so good. It's a beautiful fragrance. It is a beautiful fragrance. I don't even know what to say. Like, I've got 5 fragrances. I wish I could buy 5 more. That's how good they are. I actually want to try out some more to see how close they are to some fragrances that I already have. Yo, Dossier, y'all did y'all damn thing. Y'all did the thing. So good. It's just so good. I just can't. I don't understand how. I just don't understand how. I feel like, what? They're so good. They can literally have all of my money, because if I can save with these and save money, I can get twice or triple as much. This one bottle is almost $400 or $500, and I'm paying at least $50 for it from Dossier. Take my money. Take it. Well guys, that's pretty much the end of this video. If you want to try Dossier, go ahead, click the link in my bio. It'll be a direct link to the website. Tell them I sent you. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll list my favorite scents in the comment section as well, so that way you guys can try out these fragrances. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Drop a comment, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you in the next fragrance video.